I use a small speaker to reduce the circuit as much as possible because it is a portable device. That's why you can control the volume and you can control the gain. Okay, the circuit diagram is here and is the operational amplifier LM385 or 386. Okay, this is the audio jack. Wait a second. Okay. Oh, let us coming to point. This is a speaker and the jack, audio jack input, in where we can. This will take the as an input. Okay, this is a voltage supply. I'm using a mobile charger. As per now, you can use a battery also, and also you can use as a regulator, some regulators. Here you can see L7805 regulator, where the 9 volt is converted into the 5 volt. When give the power supply, you can see the light glowing. If we keep directly to the 9 volt, it can be damaged actually. So to give the correct value to the bulb, I'm using a 7805 regulator, which regulates the voltage. Okay, and that different matter. Right now we are in this circuit, right? Okay, this is operational amplifier, and this is a speaker, and these are the capacitors and resistors to reduce the distortion and increase the gain control potentiometer and the volume control potentiometer. Actually, you can see right there the two capacitors in the parallel. Actually, I don't have a 470 picofarad capacitor, so I have combined the 250 picofarad capacitors to and made somewhat near to the 470 picofarad capacitor. Okay, you can use like that. Okay, what else? You can use as portable device. You can keep the circuit into the mini box and use that amplifier